Hello, I'm Chuck Phillip with South Alabama Home Inspections, and welcome to another edition of Southern Home Talk. I figured I would do a short video on soffit vents, or vents in general. You may have gable end vents. Not all roof systems have this type of ventilation system, and sometimes if I've done an inspection for you in the past, it may have showed up as a default statement in there to take the time to go and inspect your soffit vents at night with a bright flashlight, because that's the best time to do it. And so basically what I have here is just a pretty big rechargeable flashlight, so hopefully we can see this one because it's in the shade. So let's turn this on and let's see what kind of problem we have with this one here. You can see that hopefully you can, the screen is completely missing, and it's because this vent's probably 50 years old or older, and so they just get degraded over time and need to be replaced. Now another problem I found sometimes is that they're been painted over. What happens, people spray paint their soffit, and when you spray paint that, well, it clogs up the screen, so now air cannot enter into the vent here, and that's how your attic is ventilated, is the cooler air comes through these soffit vents and exits out through the top of the roof system if you have a ridge vent up there. But you know, you may not have these. You may have what's called a gable end vent, but it also has a screen as well, and so that needs to be checked to see if it's missing. But if you have these missing screens, what can happen is the wasp can build some really large nests, and we're fixing to enter the Formosan swarm season, and when they start swarming, they can go through these vents and create aerial colonies in your attic, and I have found some of those during my inspections. And so that's a really big reason why you want to check your soffit vents, because it's a very important issue, and Formosans get worse every year, not better. And they also don't have to have ground contact at all. They can just build a aerial colony on your attic and go to work on your roof system. And so this is what a replacement one looks like. You can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're about a little bit less than $3 a piece, so they're not expensive. And it's 8 by 16. That's what these measure out. And you can see that this has got new screening on the back of it. Got the pre-drilled holes around the flange, so it's not that hard to take these out and reinstall. And one thing I kind of suggest to do as well is when you pull those off, is kind of look up there, see if you've got any wood issues going on, maybe mold or whatever, and you could actually take the time to maybe mitigate that problem. But I also put boric acid up there as well. That's a powder substance that's really good for fighting insects and roaches. So I hope this has been somewhat informative, guys, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video.